Oreo blizzard.
Yeah, you said Amy? What?
So, we are smashing our Oreo. We crushed the top parts of the Oreo. And now we're gonna just scrape. I already scraped one of my Oreo. These finished scraping them out. So now, we're gonna put the rest of these on. So now we're gonna put the ice cream. That is how you make it.
Those are mine, I think.
Oh, don't you feel crumbs on you? You could scoop it for me, Alita, and then I'll put it. Now, finished. Eat it. Now I'm finished. Does mine look good, Alita? Look at mine, Alita. Look at mine, guys. Walk around the beach. Let's show them the lake. Let's show them the lake. That's the lake. That is our lake. We're halfway. And we're almost around to the white sand. Oh, this is pretty too. House is right there, the red one. You see that purple boat? That's ours. Yeah, put the purple boat in the twisty one. Before we get to the right sand, we have to go through a huge rocks. Ow! I don't get why they put rocks instead of sand. It's so close. I know. Look at it. It's filled with tiny little pebbles. The white sand. My favorite. It's so mushy. Yeah, even this part's mushy, but it's cool. Alita, don't you think we're going also to have dinner here? We're back home and bye.